All right, this video is going to show you how to make a square the same way that we made a rhombus. So when we made a rhombus, we started with just a random angle like this and measured the sides so that all of our sides were the same. What's different about a square though is we need to have that starting point or that starting angle be a right angle. And so what you have to do first is you have to make your 90-degree angle. So we're going to do exactly the same thing we did with a perpendicular bisector, where we're going to set our compass to more than halfway, keep that compass locked in, and then draw a 90-degree angle. Now on this one that I'm using, you can't really erase those circles, and so you just kind of have to remember that this line that we originally drew here is perpendicular to that one. And just like with our rhombus, we are going to use that angle. And so I'm going to just grab part of this line and extend this way out here so that I have what we kind of had with our rhombus. Now I don't need that whole big red line, but I'm just going to use it so that I can show you how we are going to make this square. So I'm going to have the red line be my side of my square. So that I just measured is going to be the side of the square. So if I pull this down over here, that's going to now give me two sides of my square where I have this and that. And I know it's going to be a square because I had already made my perpendicular bisector. So if I go back to my compass, I have not changed his length. So now I'm going to bring it up to this side and mark it. And this side and mark it just like I did with the rhombus. And where those two cross is going to be the other vertice of my square. And so I have made a square just like I made a rhombus, only I started with a right angle, so I know that all of those angles are 90 degrees.